Dear student, welcome to Angan Public School. Hope you all are doing good. Student, this is a workbook of social science for standard 8. Okay, and in last lecture we have been done chapter number 6, human resources from textbook. ओके टेक्स्ट बुक में चैप्टर 6 हमारा फिनिश हो चुका था लास्ट लेक्चर में. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 फ्रॉम वर्कबुक. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है चूज द करेक्ट ऑल्टरनेटिव फ्रॉम दोज गिवन बिलो ईच क्वेश्चंस एंड राइट्स इट रिलेवेंट लेटर इन दिस ब्रैकेट प्रोवाइडेड अगेंस्ट द क्वेश्चंस. ओके, सो फर्स्ट जो क्वेश्चन है, आफ्टर हाउ मेनी ईयर्स इज द सेंसस डन इन इंडिया. हाउ मेनी ईयर्स सेंसस डन इन इंडिया? 10 ईयर्स. हर कितने साल में? हर एवरी 10 ईयर सेंसस का काउंटिंग होता है. थर्ड, एरिया वाइज इंडिया. एरिया वाइज इंडिया कौन से नंबर में है पूरे वर्ल्ड में? 7th. सो आंसर इज डी. थर्ड, more than how much of the world's total population lives in India? 16%. ओके, 16% वर्ल्ड की टोटल पॉपुलेशन इंडिया में रहती है. 4, विच कंट्री हैज द हाईएस्ट पॉपुलेशन इन इंडिया? चाइना. 5, by how many crores did the population of India increase from 2001 to 11? 18.1 करोड़. कितने करोड़? 18.1 करोड़ पॉपुलेशन इंडिया की 2001 से 11 तक इंक्रीज हुई है. 6, हाउ मच ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ इंडिया इन सेंसस डन इन 2011? 2011 में इंडिया की पॉपुलेशन कितनी थी? 121.01 करोड़. 7, various schemes launched to control population growth have brought down its rise by how much percent? 1.7%. 8, what was the average life expectancy of human in India in 2011? Average life expectancy human की कितनी है? 63 to 64 years. कितनी है? 63 to 64 years की life expectancy है. 9, which of the following Indian states has the highest population? उत्तर प्रदेश. उत्तर प्रदेश में हाईएस्ट उत्तर प्रदेश में राइट हाईएस्ट पॉपुलेशन है, वाइल लीस्ट पॉपुलेशन वाला जो स्टेट है वो है सिक्किम. ओके. 11, what percent population lives in rural areas in Gujarat? 62% population lives in rural areas in Gujarat. 12, currently how much percent population lives in urban areas in Gujarat? 38%. 62 रूरल में रहती है, 38 अर्बन एरिया में रहती है. विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ गुजरात इज द हाईएस्ट पॉपुलेशन? अहमदाबाद. गुजरात का हाईएस्ट पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी सूरत में है. 15, व्हाट इज द परसेंटेज पॉपुलेशन ऑफ सीनियर सिटीजन इन इंडिया? 7 to 10%. 16, विच इंडियन स्टेट हैज द हाईएस्ट लिटरेसी रेट? केरला. केरला हैज द हाईएस्ट लिटरेसी रेट. Which Indian state has the lowest literacy rate? Bihar. Bihar has the lowest literacy rate. 18, what was the average percentage of literacy in 2011 in India? 74%. 19, which Indian state has the highest sex ratio? Kerala. Kerala has the highest sex ratio. 20, on what basis of states been formed in India? Language. Language के बेस पे इंडिया के सारे स्टेट को डिवाइड किया हुआ है. 21, how many languages are recognized by our constitution? 22 languages. कितनी languages recognize की हुई है? 22 languages. 22, in which year did the Indian government adopt population policies to deal with the overpollution? 1951. ये जो ईयर है जिसमें पॉपुलेशन पॉलिसी क्या की थी? अडोप्ट की थी. किसकी वजह से? ड्यू टू द ओवर पॉपुलेशन. Second, fill in the blanks with proper words or numbers in the following statements. So first, census is done in India every 10 years, right? Census is done in India every 10 years. Second, last census was done in the year 2011 in India. Third, the total land area of India is 32,87,263 square into kilometer, which is 2.42% total land area of the world. Fourth, area wise India stands 7th in the world. 5, India is second in the world in terms of population. 6. Approximately 16% of the world's total population have lives in India. 7. During the 2001 to 2011, the population in India increased by 18.1 crores. 8. At the time of the 2011 census, the population of India was 121.01 crore. 9. During the last decade, India's population growth rate has increased by 1.7%. In 2011, the average life expectancy of human was 63 to 64 years in India. All these fill-ups are already doing while we do MCQ. जब MCQ कर रहे थे सारी fill-ups उसमें आ गई है. Average 11. Average number of people living per square into kilometer area is termed in population density. 12. Uttar Pradesh state of India has the highest population. Now next. 13. Ahmedabad district of Gujarat has highest population. 14. Surat district of Gujarat has highest population. 15. 62% of Gujarat population live in rural area. 16. 38% of Gujarat population live in urban areas. 17. The population of senior citizen in India is 7 to 10% of total population. 18. Sex ratio can be defined as the number of females per 1000 males. 19. Kerala state has the highest sex ratio in India. 20. According to 2011 census, the sex ratio in Gujarat was 918. According to the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act, the appropriate marriageable age for males in 21 years and that for the females in 18 years. 22. In 2011, the literacy rate of India was 74.04%. In 2011, the literacy rate of Gujarat is 79.31%. 24. केरला स्टेट है जिसकी हाईएस्ट लिटरेसी रेट है, बिहार का सबसे लोवेस्ट लिटरेसी रेट है. इंडिया में जो मेजॉरिटी पॉपुलेशन ऑफ पीपल है वो हिंदू रिलीजन है और इंडिया स्टेट हैव बीन फॉर्मेट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ लैंग्वेज के बेस में उसको फॉर्मेट किया हुआ है. ना क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, ट्रू फॉल्स. फर्स्ट, ह्यूमन पॉपुलेशन इज द ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज ऑफ अ कंट्री. ट्रू. चाइना इज द सेकंड इंडिया इन टर्म्स ऑफ पॉपुलेशन. नो, इंडिया इज सेकंड. During the last 4 decades, population rate has been increased. Right. 4. Population density is decreased slowly in India. False. 5th. In India, the proportion of urban population is more than that of a rural population. False. 6th. The number of senior citizens is very high in Japan. True. Since 1951, the sex ratio has increased overall in India. False. Literacy rate is slowly increasing in India. True. Only people following Hindu religion lives in India. False. Getting married at the age of 18 is legal for males. False. Okay. So students, here we completed question number 3 and also I am going to end this lecture here and you should write the question 1 to 3 in your workbook with help of PDF and this PDF I will send in your application. So refer this PDF and fill it. Okay. So in next lecture we will continue with question number 4. So till then, keep learning, stay home and stay safe. Goodbye students.